Good morning. I hope you had a wonderful Labor Day. I know that I did. I really enjoyed having the day off with my family. And now that we're back this week, we're jumping into our first week of content related materials. What you're going to see is every week, the module that is on top is the module that we will be working on this week. What do I do this week of September 8th through 11th? We're going to be going through adding and subtracting decimals and multiplying decimals. So let's look at what our class is going to look like. To begin with, you're going to have an introductory video on adding and subtracting decimals. I highly suggest you watch it. It's a very fun, refreshing video on refreshing your memory. Sorry, I'm losing my words on how to add and subtract decimals. Then you're going to have a lesson from the virtual course. We're going to open up the lesson. Hold on one sec. And this is what our lesson is going to look like. 1.01, adding and subtracting decimals. Now, I know that this is a lot of words and some of you may not be proficient readers, so we have our read-write software we can click on. Once we click on it, we're going to count 8 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess it's 7 over now. And we're going to click the screen reader and we're going to highlight and let go, and it'll be read to you. Now be patient because the computer has to think a little extra, especially when there are a lot of words.
Whether you are shopping at a store or online, figuring out whether you have enough money is an important question. You can do this by quickly and accurately adding and subtracting decimals.
Now you can pause it. So you're going to listen to the lesson up top, and then you need to scroll down and make sure that you're clicking begin, and they're going to give you some practice problems to work on to refresh your memory that are being timed. You're going to go through the different lessons. So here I'm just going to make up a number, and let's see what happens when you submit. They'll tell you that it was incorrect. Then you're going to go to the next problem, and then you're going to keep going until you go through the module. Some people don't like the video version, so there is a text version over here. So going back to the Canvas course, you're going to, let's see, watch the video. You're going to read and practice the lesson, and then you have a little activity that you need to do on adding and subtracting decimals. This is for a grade. Then you're going to review the multiplying decimals lesson, and then you have an assignment to do on multiplying decimals. And this is all due on September 13th. So as you see, it's the 11th, but since this class gets additional time, extra time, you have till Sunday the 13th. If you have any questions, you can inbox me, and I'd be more than happy to work with you one-on-one. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'm excited to get this week going.